days lang inorganize yun. So, mahal na mahal ka talaga ng... So, 87%.
Ganito. Yan, isa yan. Kasi, ayan, anong nagaspa ko sa buhay ko?
A lot po,
Ganun
sir.
Pinagsilbihan mo kami siya.
Fishing. Sobra po. Sir,
Pinagsilbihan mo kami ng totoo.
ako 24 pa lang. Pero ang dami, sir, sa amin. Na parang this is the first time we felt like our government cared for us. I mean, no offense. Ngayon pa ako hindi nag-offend. No offense to the previous, but parang for many of us, this is the first time we felt that there was a government really caring for us. In many ways, sir, for some, it's a drug war. For some, it's a build. And ang daming reasons. And it's all in this book. As yung may segue, na maraming yung ibang OFW, sir, marami